Hey there everyone! Before we dive into today's video, make sure to check out the free report linked in the description below. In that report, you'll discover a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. It's packed with valuable information that you won't want to miss. Today, we're going to explore the science of fat loss and reveal 3 proven methods to help you shed those extra pounds. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking to break through a plateau, these tips will provide you with the tools you need to succeed. So stick around as we delve into the importance of creating a caloric deficit, the benefits of high-intensity interval training, and the power of strength training. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach fat loss in a healthy and sustainable way. All right, let's start with the foundation of fat loss. Creating a caloric deficit. Simply put, a caloric deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. This forces your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss over time. But here's the catch. It's crucial to achieve this deficit in a balanced and sustainable way. Extreme calorie restriction can backfire, slowing down your metabolism and leading to muscle loss. Instead, focus on a moderate caloric reduction paired with nutrient-dense foods to fuel your body properly. A well-balanced diet includes a mix of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Think of foods like chicken breast, avocados, and whole grains. These will not only keep you satisfied, but also provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. It's also important to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating can help you avoid overeating and make healthier choices. Remember, the goal is to create a slight caloric deficit, not to starve yourself. Tracking your food intake can be incredibly helpful. Apps like MyFitnessPal can give you a better understanding of your daily caloric intake and help you stay on track. Just be sure to use these tools as a guide, not a strict rulebook. Lastly, remember that patience is key. Sustainable fat loss takes time, and it's important to be kind to yourself throughout the process. Consistency and balance will yield the best results in the long run. Next up, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. This type of training is incredibly effective for boosting metabolism and burning fat. Studies have shown that HIIT workouts can burn more calories in a shorter amount of time compared to steady-state cardio. Plus, the afterburn effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means you'll continue to burn calories even after your workout is complete. Some popular HIIT exercises include sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees, and cycling. The beauty of HIIT is that it can be tailored to your fitness level and done virtually anywhere, no fancy gym equipment required. A typical HIIT session might look like this: 30 seconds of all-out effort such as sprinting, followed by 30 seconds of walking or slow jogging. Repeat this cycle for 15 to 20 minutes and you've got yourself a powerful fat-burning workout. One of the key benefits of HIIT is its efficiency. If you're short on time, a quick HIIT session can still provide substantial results. Just be sure to warm up properly and focus on maintaining good form throughout the exercises. Incorporating HIIT into your routine 2 to 3 times per week can significantly enhance your fat loss efforts. Combine this with other forms of exercise like strength training for a well-rounded fitness regimen. Let's dive into the role of strength training in fat loss. Lifting weights isn't just for building bulky muscles, it's a powerful tool for burning fat. Strength training builds lean muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. More muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses boost your metabolism. Body weight exercises like push-ups and lunges are also effective. Strength training improves bone density, joint health, and functional strength. Aim for strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements and proper form to prevent injuries. Consider working with a certified personal trainer for guidance. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll see improvements in strength and body composition. Strength training is a powerful ally in your fat loss journey. And there you have it, folks. 3 proven methods for losing fat and achieving your weight loss goals. Remember to check out the free report in the description below for an in-depth look at a secret to losing weight quickly and naturally. It's packed with valuable insights that can take your journey to the next level. By creating a caloric deficit, incorporating HIIT workouts, and embracing strength training, You'll be well on your way to a healthier, leaner you. These strategies are backed by science and have helped countless individuals achieve their fat loss goals. Stay committed, stay patient, and most importantly, stay kind to yourself. Weight loss is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from these tips.